Hi. Last time I made a video, I said I was gonna start reviewing my comic book starting with superhero girls, but I was thinking maybe I should start by organizing alphabetically. Anyways, I was gonna do this little script where I was gonna say stuff, but I'm not like the other YouTubers where they write things down and they say what they say. Anyways, oh, oh, I think it's like 5. No, it's supposed to be 8 in the morning by now. Anyways, happy 4th of July for everybody, if whoever is watching it right now. So, yeah. But now I want to show you this one comic. It's called Animal Jam. It was given for free this year's Free Comic Book Day. For those who still don't know what Free Comic Book Day is, it's always on the first Saturday of May, and they always give out exclusive. They always give out They give out comic books for free. It depends on where you go. It depends on the comic book store. It depends on how many they're giving out and how many you're allowed to take. Anyways, not much about this, but I read a little bit. It's really good. My sister plays this in the computer when we go to computer lab or the library. She's like, oh, I want to go play Animal Jam. She even has it on her phone. It's like, so far I've read so far is that it's all about animals who live in a peaceful place. Like, not so long ago, it's like everybody used to be all divided. Because of all that division caused these creatures to pop out, known as phantoms. And so the animals got together and started fighting together to get rid of them. Anyway, at the beginning of the story, you meet up with this one character, a rabbit called Clover, who just recently got to the world JAMA, as they say it. Anyways, as they're going through a tour, they meet up with this one scientist. Yeah, it's like who's very enthusiastic on machines and all that. Anyways, all the animals are led by these ones called like Alpha. To understand more about what alphas are, they're like the main leaders of the species that they represent. Like, each one group represents something. Like, at some point they go to this one little place, like this huge temple, which according to everybody, long time ago, all the animal species had this one thing called a heartstone inside the temple. But when they separated and split up, they took all their heartstones. It's like, it also explains like doing that also caused their species to disappear. So their whole journey is to find the heartstones and bring them back to the temple so that those species would come back, like, to exist. Anyways, at some point, like, the machine Like actually, like the machine happens to be a portal and brings these phantoms into existence, which they start fighting. Anyways, I'm not giving out much details because I want people to see it read it without having to have so much spoiling in it. So, yeah, if you want to learn more, it's like you could just read Animal Jam comic book. I mean, I'm not saying I'm recommending it. It's really good, but not good enough to say I like it. Not really